Look at this gorgeous day. Yesterday we had the end of the world snow, and today it's a gorgeous 45 degrees weather with a slight breeze and sunshine. And you know, we have a saying in Michigan, if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes, it will change. I went out for ice cream. I was just feeling like ice cream. Everything is cleared, no ice in the parking lot. So now we are going to feed the birds, the seagulls. We have seagulls around, and now and then we are grabbing extra bread and we are feeding them. This is a beautiful grayling. Moving too fast, I know. My husband starts feeding the seagulls. Usually I am with him there, but I wanted you to see how they are coming. I love this. We don't do it every day, but now and then, as a treat for ourselves, we are feeding the seagulls. By the way, I saw two geese coming back. Kind of early, but I saw them.